Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious funnel cake without milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3/4 cup of water or your favorite plant-based milk ready. Don't forget about 4 cups of neutral oil for frying and plenty of powdered sugar for topping. Now let's create that perfect funnel cake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, gently whisk the egg, vanilla extract, and your dairy-free liquid. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture, whisking continuously until the batter is smooth. The consistency should be thick enough to form ribbons but still easily pourable, like a good pancake batter. It's time for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 2 inches of neutral oil in a sturdy pot to a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a funnel or a squeeze bottle, carefully drizzle about 1/3 cup of batter into the hot oil, creating a spiral and crisscross pattern. Fry each cake for approximately 1 to 2 minutes per side until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Remember to work quickly and carefully. Once your funnel cakes are golden and crispy, carefully transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, generously dust each one with a cloud of powdered sugar. For an extra treat, you can add fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or even a dollop of dairy-free whipped cream. Serve these delightful treats immediately to enjoy their warm, crispy goodness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.